guys, how you doing? Today we are going to install some Mathews engaged side plates on this V3 here. So we're going to take off the factory grip and install the plates in there. This gives us a little bit of a slimmer grip, so I'm going to try that on this boat myself personally, and then I'm going to put some grip tape down the riser as well, just to kind of give me a little grip just in case my hands are sweaty or they get wet. Okay. So I got everything laid out here to start, but I need to remove this factory grip. So these are just put on with some adhesive. So these just kind of peel right off. So I'm going to peel this off. All right, and you'll see that we have that glue in there still on the risers. We're going to take that off. Okay. So it's glue, but it's snot. You get it? Snot. All right, so we're just going to rub this off. All right, we can get rid of that. They give you some little alcohol wipes here, so we'll wipe these down. Get in there. Corner. All right. Let that dry a second. All right, so you want to make sure you locate obviously the correct adhesive sticker. It's going to go on the riser. It actually goes between the riser and the grip. There's a grip side and riser side. So the white covering is going to go against the riser. So we're going to peel that off first and place that in there. Okay, and press it in nice and good. And then we'll go ahead and peel the other side off and get the grip on there. Okay. The adhesive stick wasn't very well. If not, I'll come back and put it in something else behind it. Anyway, so it's got two little nubs here on the grip. You're going to line them up with the riser and push them in there. Make sure it's lined up with the top. I'm going to press it in there. Looks like it's pretty good. We'll see if that holds over time. If not, I'll go ahead and put in some other adhesive in there and go from there. So that's one side so far. Looks like it's holding on pretty good, and we'll see if it lasts. So let's do the other side now. And then now what I'm going to do, just put some grip tape here down the back of the riser, just to kind of give me something so my hand doesn't slip. So let's see how that works out. Some scissors here in case I got to cut it. I already pre-cut this strip roughly for myself. So I don't know if I'm going to put it all the way up. Just here. Yeah, I think I'll just stick it there. I don't know if I'll put it all the way up. Kind of play with that a little bit. Yeah, I think I like the way it feels without it being all the way up in that groove there. So just kind of give me a little bit of grip here where my palm is going to hit the riser, which really is only going to be that first 1.5 inches or so. but we'll do that there. All right. So let's do a little clippage right here. All right. Let me wipe this down real quick too. Real quick. So I don't have any sticking issues. Looks good. So press that on there. There we go. That looks good. So we'll give it a try out. I'll keep you guys posted on how I like that over the factory grip. And let me know what you guys think. If you guys are running one of these already, let me know what you guys think. I know a lot of people are running the Ultra View grip, but I wanted to go with a little bit less contact. For me, I don't want to torque the bow at all, so I want to get the least amount of contact I can on the riser, but still have control of the bow and not let it sag back and forth. So we'll try it out, and hope this helps you guys out. Have a good day.